Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at not Ethereum, but Basic Attention Token. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, from the bottom, which was clearly shown, it was January, the month of January, to where we are now, we're about 232% above percent gain against Bitcoin, um, which is very impressive. We still have a long ways to go with Basic Attention Token. We all know that, and we understand the risks associated with holding this coin. It's a very extremely volatile coin. Um, and a very low cap coin. It's a very small coin. I think it's still ranked like 60-ish out of 100 on CoinGecko. So it barely makes it to like a mid cap altcoin, if I really had to say, like just barely. I would still consider it a fairly small cap coin. But obviously, there are assets that are big, that are smaller than Basic Attention Token. One of the interesting aspects of Basic Attention Token right now is its relationship with the 20-day moving average. As you can see, ever since the breakout of the 20-day, Basic Attention Token has been holding this moving average as support every single time. And yesterday we came back, we came to it and actually wicked down past it, but we uh, obviously recovered, which is good. But here we are again today, another drop of 7%, and we're now technically below the 20-day moving average. The 20-day moving average is at 2,261 satoshis, and the current price is 2,231 satoshis. Now, if this was a hardline rule, then we could then assume that the potential move up for Basic Attention Token right now has been halted, and we're going to see a reversal because we've broken the moving average. However, a today is not done yet. There's still about 4 hours left on the day for Basic Attention Token to at least get it over the hump. Increase a few satoshis above and hold the 20-day moving average. But I'd like you to be pointed to the February uh, drop to the 20-day, and we essentially went below the 20-day for a number of days. One, two, three, four, 5 days, and on the sixth day we moved right back up above it. So about a week. So with that said, it is possible to break below the 20-day moving average and um, still get above it and still rally. So that is, still on the cards. Another problem would ensue if Bitcoin decides to just dump. Right now, Bitcoin's down about 1%. Not as bad as it was yesterday, but we're still heading down. There are some concerns of Bitcoin at the moment, but as of right now, I mean, the dump of February to the end of February was a dump of 20%, and here we are. What? How bad is this? This is 11%, 12% if you want to round up. So about 12% drop. It's still not as bad as February, nor is it as bad as March. The March correction, which was 15%. All right. So we're still only down 12% from the top. If you want to measure it from the wick, then you're getting a little bit more. It's 13%. Still doesn't beat out the last two times. So things are still okay with Bitcoin. And so that is the main concern I have in relation to Basic Attention Token is what is the health of Bitcoin? If Bitcoin is fine, if it's fine just, you know, moving sideways or ever so slightly up, then Basic Attention Token should be in the clear. It is at these points in Basic Attention Token's recent price history since the start of the year that this is essentially the best time to buy Basic Attention Token. Obviously, in the macro sense, this was the best time. But if we're talking about short-term times, when it's at the 20-day moving average, it is technically the best time to buy Basic Attention Token in the short term. And here we are at the fifth time at this level. Am I buying Basic Attention Token at this level? No. I bought here. Okay. I think a little higher. I think around here. I've bought there. Okay, so I'm still up on my money. I'm not looking to put any more money into a riskier asset. In fact, I am consolidating my positions. The last few weeks have been me consolidating my positions, more specifically with VeChain, which is currently down, almost 4%. So, with that said, basic attention tokens again at the 20-day moving average. We'll see in the coming week how it does. In the same time, we will look at Bitcoin and see what it does. If Bitcoin starts to move like aggressively to the upside or to the downside, then we could see a potential reaction, negative reaction against against basic attention token to BTC ratio. If Bitcoin stays the way it is, more or less, not so much on the daily, but more so on the weekly, the past 5 weeks, 7 weeks, then I'm quite bullish on basic attention token. I mean, like if you even look on the weekly chart on basic attention token, it's been pretty fantastic. It's slower, obviously, than some other coins. I mean, VeChain is the greatest example of that. But I think uh, during the market cycle, we will at some point reach this upper limits of the chart. More so this level, okay, if I had to specify, this level here I'm pretty confident of. This one right here I'm less confident of, but we will see. But that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Again, keep an eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does any rash moves in the next couple of weeks, then we will have to reassess. But as of now, this is just another opportunity. Again, I'm not accumulating at this level. Do what you will with your own funds. If you're following the moving average like I am, you see these patterns, you might want to take the risk. Again, there's nothing holding basic attention token back from breaking it. Okay, it just seems that it's respecting that moving average for the time being. We don't know with 100% certainty if it's going to hold. And especially if Bitcoin decides to capitulate, drop another 20%, say down to the 20-week moving average, which is another 30% down, um, we could see basic attention token break this moving average and find another low or produce a lower low. But that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.